In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on assistive touch on iPhone. Alright, so I'm starting right here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm doing is opening up the settings app. I tap on that gear icon, give it a moment to load, and once I'm inside, I'm looking through the list of options on the screen. From here, I scroll down until I see accessibility, and once I find it, I tap on it to go inside. Now I'm in the accessibility menu and I'm scanning through the options until I spot touch. When I see touch, I tap on it and that takes me into the touch related settings page. Alright, now that I'm here on the touch screen, I can see the option labeled assistive touch. This is what I'm looking for, so I go ahead and tap the toggle to turn assistive touch on. The change happens immediately, so there's nothing else I need to confirm or save. Once that's done, I pause here for a moment just to make sure the toggle stays enabled and everything looks right. You can leave it on and continue using your phone normally, and if you ever want to turn it back off, you just return to this same spot and toggle it off again. Now I'm backing out through the menus step by step, heading back toward the main screens, and that's really the entire process. Anytime you want to revisit it, just open settings, go into accessibility, tap touch, and toggle assistive touch on or off. If I leave it enabled, I usually spend a moment navigating around just to get comfortable before moving on. It's easy to come back here later and adjust it again if I decide I want something different. And that's all there is to it. You've now turned on assistive touch on your iPhone, and once you've gone through it once, it becomes quick and easy to find and change whenever you need.